Hi guys, today we're going to do this quick and easy lemon quinoa. So we're going to jump right into it, and you will need some rinsed quinoa and some chicken stock, some garlic, carrots, scallions, some frozen peas, fresh lemon juice, a little sea salt, and lemon pepper seasoning. So you can put any type of veggies you want to in this, guys. It's my lemon flavored quinoa that my family loves, but I always try to sneak in some veggies. So I just chose what I had today. So I just chopped up a little of it, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to start off with a heavy bottom skillet, and we're going to add some butter on medium heat. You want to go medium because you don't want to burn that butter. And what you see me doing here is adding a little drizzle of olive oil. And the reason I'm doing this, a little chef tip, is that you don't want your butter to burn. So you put the oil in, and it keeps it from getting too brown. So once you get your oil and butter melted, you want to add in your veggies. As of now, I'm just adding in the carrots and the scallions. You'll see the peas near the end of the cooking time. So you want to get all of that butter, oil goodness infused into your veggies. I'll say about 30-45 seconds. You let that go. And it's okay if a couple of your onions get to browning a little. It's okay. Once you get that incorporated, you want to add your garlic. You add in your garlic at this point because you don't want it to burn. You only want to give your garlic about 15 to 20 seconds because you don't want that to get too dark on you and you'll have black specks in your quinoa, which is okay because it's just garlic. But once that is done, you want to add in your quinoa. Now you're going to see me add in my quinoa. It looks dry. I did rinse it, but I put it on a sheet pan to let it dry out overnight. I just like toasting it this way, but you can definitely rinse your quinoa in a colander or a strainer over water and go straight in. Just rinse it for a couple of minutes to get any residue off. So you see I'm getting this nice and toasty, about 15-20 seconds. You could go longer if you want, more nutty flavor. Then you're going to add in your chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever you choose to use. This is a low sodium chicken broth. And then you're going to get that stirred in. So what you're doing now is you're infusing that flavor into your quinoa. You're going to stir it and get it all going. What you're looking for is a rapid boil right now. So once you get that all stirred, look at the perimeter of my skillet. Okay, you see that rapid boil? You want to get that throughout the entire skillet, and it only takes seconds. You might get this in 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and then you're going to stir and get that infused in until the entire skillet is simmering away. So once you get that, I'm going to add my lemon pepper seasoning at this point. I like to add it now just to infuse the quinoa into the water and the boiling so that you get all of that flavor while you're cooking, while the quinoa is cooking. So you're going to stir that in. You can add a little sea salt right here too if you want. I think I opted to not add it. My husband does have high blood pressure, so I don't like to put a lot of salt into the cooking for him. So you can add it at this point. I would say a couple of turns of the sea salt is fine. So once you get that stirred in, you're going to see that you have that rapid boil throughout the entire skillet. You're going to cover this with a top, and then you're going to set your timer on 20 minutes. You're going to reduce your heat to low or simmer, whichever your stove has. Oh, little slip there. And then you're going to go for 15 minutes. At the last 5 minutes, you're going to stir in your peas. And because the peas don't need a lot of cooking time. Stir in your peas, last 5 minutes, and then you're going to squeeze in your fresh lemon juice at this time. You don't want to put it in too early because you don't want it to get bitter. So I put in the lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and get that seed out of there. And then you're going to stir that and cover it for the remaining cooking time. Once this is stirred in, cover it with your top again. And when you're done, you're going to see that it's going to fluff up and it's going to be amazingly lemony in your kitchen. And you're going to love it. So this is what you end up with, guys. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. You could grate some Parmesan cheese on top of this. You can add any veggie that you want. But this lemon quinoa is the best. Your family will love it. And until next time, don't forget to try new food.